In this session, I'm going to show you the components which we are going to use for the assembling of a computer system. The first component here is the power supply. The power supply unit is used to convert the main alternative current to low voltage regulated direct current power for the internal components of the computer. Most modern personal computers universally use a switched mode power supply. Some power supplies have a manual selector for the input voltage, while the others have automatic adapt to supply the voltage. Most modern desktop personal computer power supplies conform to ATX form factor. The ATX power supplies are turned on and off by a signal from the motherboard. The next and the most important component is the motherboard. The motherboard is the part of your computer which wires all of the other parts together. It is a printed circuit board and it includes the CPU and the memory. Every component of your computer connects directly to this motherboard. It includes expansion options for eye and graphic displays and additional devices. Motherboard specifications are designed around which CPU your computer uses. For example, if your computer uses an Intel processor, you need an Intel compatible motherboard. The next component is a computer fan. This is any fan inside or attached to a computer case and is used for active cooling. It may refer to fans that draw cooler air into the case from the outside. They expel warm air from inside or move air across the heatsink to cool a particular component, like the processor, which eats up very fast while it's performing its specific function. The next component is the hard disk. This is the permanent storage whereby all information which you have worked on a computer is being stored. Essentially, this is the part of the computer that stores your information for future use. If you upload a picture to your computer, it is stored on the hard drive. The hard drive capacity is measured in megabytes, although some which have come on the market today are measured in terabytes. The next component we have is the optical drive. The optical drive uses optical discs. An optical drive uses light to read and write data. It is the drive you use to burn CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. Optical discs can be either slot loading or tray loading and come in many different configurations. The optical drives connect directly to the motherboard of the computer. The next component we have here is the random access memory. This is the part of your computer which is used as an instant memory. The RAM is always in use as a temporary location to execute instructions from your computer. For example, if you run many programs at once, you may need to upgrade your RAM because your computer is using more memory. RAM comes in many different configurations, such as the dynamic RAM, the SRAM, which runs at high speed. A screwdriver is a tool for driving screws and sometimes for rotating other machine elements. Students, the next session I'm going to demonstrate to you the best way of assembling a personal